Got about a foot of new snow on the ground here. Heavy snow still coming down. Go for a little walk here. Cars are starting to get buried. As you can see, got some heavy winds too, high winds. Got some drifts up the fence there, pretty high. Beautiful out. See the snowfall rates right now right around 2 inches per hour. They're a little bit higher a little bit ago. Maybe 2.5. Did you hear that? Oh, some thunder. Wind is very intense just south of here. Pretty wet snow as well. It's not your typical fluffier lake effect. Temperatures are right around 30. The rate's picked up 3 inches per hour now. Visibility down to 1/4 mile. Shed's getting buried. They're well over. Alright, we're up and over 3 inches per hour now. Visibility about 1,000 feet. See the garage is getting buried a little bit. Beautiful night for a Jeb walk though. Hopefully we can get a couple thunder and lightning bolts on camera here. Had a bunch earlier. Wind speed's probably about 15-20 miles per hour. Might even be pushing 3.5 inches per hour here. Higher gust right there. Getting a little bit colder as the storm carries on here. Started off right around freezing. Visibility about 500 feet now. Really coming down. The street has tons of snow in it. No plows coming by right now. As you can see down the road, visibility's not that great. Snowflakes we started off really small, they got big, now they're like medium size. I mean, look at that fence, it's already getting buried. That's crazy. Really starting to add up. Head back. Now we're going right towards this. The wind direction is out of the west-southwest right now. Coming right up the full fetch of Lake Erie. Got the Christmas lights going. Just a beautiful night. No one really out here. Snowfall rate's a little bit lower now, probably around 2. Still some leaves. See here. Still some leaves on the tree. Had a very warm fall. Going out a little bit there. Yeah, but we've been going in and out of anywhere from 2 inches per hour to at 1.5 inches per hour about an hour ago.